Are you looking for the best multi-room speakers? The demand for high-quality home audio is surging as more people seek seamless sound experiences across rooms. Whether for immersive gaming, cinematic movie nights, or background music that flows from kitchen to living room, multi-room speakers offer unmatched versatility. In this guide, we evaluate the best multi-room speakers based on sound quality, connectivity options, smart features, build design, and overall value to help you find the perfect setup for your lifestyle.
Product number 1. Notabrick Bluetooth Speaker 15-watt Portable Speakers Bluetooth Wireless V5.0. The Notabrick Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful 15-watt stereo sound with active extra bass, making it an excellent choice for parties and home entertainment. Its Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures quick pairing and stable wireless performance across devices. Designed with an IPX67 waterproof rating, it's ideal for showers, poolside gatherings, or outdoor adventures. The double pairing feature allows users to connect two speakers for richer stereo sound, creating a multi-room audio effect. Despite its compact build, this speaker packs a punch with crisp highs and deep lows that outperform many pricier alternatives. If you want portability without sacrificing sound quality, the Notabrick is a top contender.
Product number 2. Amazon Echo Pop, newest model, Midnight Teal. Compact yet smart, the Amazon Echo Pop is perfect for those entering the Alexa ecosystem. Its sleek, space-saving design fits anywhere, from bedside tables to office shelves. With Alexa built in, you can control music, smart home devices, alarms, and more using just your voice. The sound quality is surprisingly robust for its size, offering crisp mids and balanced lows. The Echo Pop works flawlessly with Amazon Music, Spotify, and multi-room audio setups, allowing synchronized playback across multiple Echo devices. It's the ideal, affordable option for anyone wanting a stylish, entry-level smart speaker that connects seamlessly throughout the home.
Product number 3. Yeelink SP92 Conference Speaker and Microphone. The Yeelink SP92 isn't just for office calls. It doubles as a dependable Bluetooth speaker for music and media. Certified for Microsoft Teams, this model ensures crystal-clear conference calls with its AI noise-canceling microphone and 20-hour battery life. Its USB and Bluetooth connectivity make it versatile for both laptops and smartphones. While designed for professional environments, its clear audio output and 360-degree microphone pickup also make it a solid option for multi-room communication setups or smart home hubs. Durable and easy to carry, the SP92 blends performance with portability, ensuring consistent sound wherever you go.
Product number 4. Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers. For audiophiles seeking premium sound in a classic form, the Edifier R1280T is a timeless choice. These 2.0 active bookshelf speakers feature a 42W RMS output, delivering clear mids and warm, balanced bass. The wooden enclosure enhances sound resonance while adding an elegant touch to any room. Dual RCA inputs make it easy to connect multiple devices, from turntables to PCs, for versatile multi-room setups. While it lacks wireless connectivity, its consistent sound and durability make it a top pick for traditionalists who value acoustic integrity.
Product number 5. Sonos Era 100 White, Wireless, Alexa-enabled Smart Speaker. The Sonos Era 100 redefines what a smart speaker can do. Combining rich stereo sound with Alexa and Sonos voice control, it integrates flawlessly with multi-room systems. Dual-angled tweeters and a powerful mid-woofer fill spaces with immersive sound, perfect for both music lovers and movie enthusiasts. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 ensure flexible connectivity, while the TruePlay tuning feature optimizes sound based on your room's acoustics. Elegant and modern, the Era 100 adapts to any interior, while offering some of the most advanced audio tech on the market.